Cashing out on VantageFX involves withdrawing funds from your trading account. Here's how to do it. Log in. Log into your VantageFX client portal using your account credentials. Navigate to Withdrawal section. Once logged in, navigate to the Withdrawal section of your account dashboard. This is typically found under the Funds Management or Withdrawals tab. Select Withdrawal Method. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. VantageFX typically supports various withdrawal methods, including bank wire transfer, credit or debit card withdrawal, and online payment processors. Enter withdrawal details. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and provide any necessary withdrawal details, such as your bank account information or payment processor account details. Review and confirm. Review the withdrawal details carefully to ensure accuracy, including the withdrawal amount and destination account information. Once you're satisfied, confirm the withdrawal request. Wait for processing. After confirming the withdrawal request, VantageFX will process your request. Processing times may vary depending on the withdrawal method chosen and any additional verification requirements. Receive funds. Once the withdrawal request is processed and approved by VantageFX, you will receive the funds in your chosen withdrawal account.